Here is the next exciting video. Same Mercedes, E320, year 2000. Rear lower control arms need replacing. I must admit, couldn't find a video on this, so thought I'd shove this one together. First thing you have to do is remove this cover underneath. There are two 10mm bolts, thus and thus, and then you kind of pull it apart and give it the good old American, you know, a yank. That then exposes the underside. Hang on, let me take you off my head. That then exposes these, which you need to get off. One's for the shock absorber, one's for the sway bar link. I'm going to take off the rear caliper because I don't want the flex pipe here to get damaged. So I'll be taking that off in the usual way. Now, I'm not sure on this one. Sorry, give me a second here. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's a squeezer or a twister. So what I'm going to try and do is just get it off as it is, and then I'll discover whether it's a squeezer or a twister. I know Ford had a habit of putting on twister ones, which are a real pain in the ass. You had to wind in the pistons. So I don't want to squeeze that in case it's one of that type, and I don't know at the moment. Now, I must mention that you know, this customer has got to get new rotors and new pads next time around. They're not terrible, but you know, it's something you want to get done. So where are we now? Let's see. How am I best going to lower this? Now, this is a challenge. Do I undo this end and lower it? Do I undo that end and lower it? Thoughts. I'm going to get my jack in here. I think once I've loosened here and got these out of the way, it's probably best to undo this bolt and then lower it that way. Sorry, lower it that way. Why? Well, apart from anything else, if it fucking flies, it ain't gonna hit me. But of course, it's already lowered this side partially. Interesting thought. Nope, I'm definitely going to do it that way because I can do it here, and that gives me a lot more motion or a lot more area to lower it so that this spring loses its tension. And it's probably not got a terrible amount of tension, certainly nothing like the front. Okay, so the next thing to do is get the brake caliper off and tie it up out the way somewhere, somehow. And then undo these nuts and bolts. Then get the jack in here. Someone just dropped a spanner. And then loosen that one. Oh, and yeah, dude, they fucked with you here. This, what is this? This is a 16 for the nut. Sorry, yeah, for the nut. The bolt head is a 15. They also fucked with you on the other one. It's a nya. Come on. If I could get the thing to pop off. Pop off. Oh, the Greek. Pop off the Greek. This one is a 13mm. However, the other side is a 12mm. You little fuckers. You were very good on the front, but by Christ, you're pissing around on the rear, aren't you? I mean, I like pissing around on the rear. Oh, not pissing, you know, because that's, yeah. All right, let's get the brake caliper off. Let's get these off, and then we'll continue with the video. Well, I'm sure you want to know this. Mercedes being Mercedes, they don't like to waste a size, so the caliper bolts are a 16mm. And my favourite way to get these off, if I can get my hands in the right position, with a rubber hammer and a good old winch. this, in theory, we all like theory, don't we? Actually, I tell you what, they're not terribly tight. Terribly. Oh, my light just died. Hey, someone gave you permission to die. Not to die, or yes to die? Yes to die. Oh dear, it has an issue. Excuse me. Charge it up, baby. Charge it up. As I was about to burst into song, yes to die, not tomorrow or another die. Oh, don't you love this channel? You get to suffer. That's all right. Blame your wife. I blame your wife. What do you mean I blame your wife? Why shouldn't I? She won't sleep with me. I asked her and she said, no, you're too fucking old. I said, yeah, but mentally I'm not. She said, well, go back. When you're physically not, give me a call. There's a time machine when you need one. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-dum. Okay. Interesting. No Loctite. Not good. Right, let's see what we got here, shall we? Nice stuff on the pads. Hang on, let's have a look here. Yeah, they look, and I'd have to confirm it, but they look like they're the windy in type. All right, now will it reach there? No, I can't leave that hanging. I got to go get me a piece of rope to tie that up. Come for a walk. Walk for some cum if you like. That's whatever you fancy. And those of you that get offended by my sense of wonderful humour, too fucking bad. Don't like my jokes? Don't like what I say? Don't watch my channel. I'm not going to lose sleep over it, I promise. And we just slip it round there, slip it through there, keep it nice and secure, tuck it through. Oof, da. Sorry, there we go again. Try to tuck it through there because it was easy, but I guess not. All right, here we go. Right. You don't have to do this. You can ignore what I'm doing. You know, shit, you know better than me, don't you? Because you're watching my video. That's why you know better than me. And you go, yeah, you're a fucking idiot, blah, blah, blah. You're keyboard warriors, huh? So, because you know better than me, you'll just let it hang on the brake line. Then when you're going down the freeway, and you put on the brakes and fuck all happens, remember this. Yeah, baby. All right, here we go. Okay, so there we are. Ooh. Nicely tied up, out of the way, sort of. Now we'll get these undone. You want me to do it now, don't you? Let's see if I can. What have I got here? A small one here. Okay, and I need 12mm on the other side. Uh-oh. Am I lying? Hang on. Sorry, guys. 12mm wrong. Really? My ghast has just been flabbered. Hang on. Okay, so that is a 16, and that is a 16. Shit. I'm sorry, guys. It appears I lied through my teeth earlier, and believe me, that was not my intention. All right, let's try again. It's not a good fit. I've got to tell you that 16 is not a good fit on the other side. All right, so whilst I thought it was going to be a 12 on this other one, isn't it? It's going to be a 13. I know you love walking around with me. Where are we? There's my 13. Let's try with a 13. Oh, that is terribly loose. Okay, it comes off, but I gotta tell you that is not a good fit. You might want to try American sizes, even though it's a German cover. Alright. Yeah, okay. So the sway bar bolt came out easy. The shock absorber one doesn't want to, so let me try. Just going to try unscrewing it. Hang on, you idiot. Wrong socket. Right, let's try again. I'm just going to get my wrist out of the way. I don't think this has got that much pressure on it. Shit, I don't know. Now, I'm going to put a jack under here because I don't know how much pressure there's going to be. Shit, no, there is going to be pressure. Look, spring there. This is disconnected. That's going to be disconnected. This baby's going to go boing. So let me get Mr. Jackie in there. Okay. Here's my airline. Sincere line. Are you alone? Let's try that again, shall we, girls? Let's see here. Right, now I can take that bolt out, I think. Well, she's out, but she's not. Yes, it's still got a bit of pressure on it. In a second. There we go. Now the pressure's off. Okay. Let us see what happens when we go down lower. It shouldn't come out. Shouldn't come out because I still have the connection here at this end and at the other end. However, it may just pivot. So let's see what happens. Obviously the sway bar and the shock absorber are just going to come out. Kind of an experiment this, guys. As I said, I couldn't find a video that shows this, so the spring is going boingy boingy. It's trying to pull this in, which I'm not going to let it. Sounds like the spring is releasing. Let's go down a bit lower. Well, Hang on. There appears to be no tension on that spring. Appears, and I say appears, so please don't quote me, because right now I know the spring isn't moving. Maybe if I undo this bolt, then it'll give it a little more leeway. So let me put some pressure back on it, and I'll take that bolt out. I'll be back. Okay, removing the bolt that comes out of... Oh my God. Oh dear. That's not acceptable. Shit. That, oh dear. Oh, that's going to cause a problem now. Fuck. Getting this bolt out. I'm sorry, getting this bolt out, you can do it, you know, you can bang it and it goes through and it comes out. Crap. I have just discovered this is totally shot. That's not acceptable. I'm going to have to get that. Which means I have to take this whole bloody thing apart. Oh crap. Yeah, I can't let that go back together. There's no way that I can accept that and put my customer on the road. This is going to cause a huge delay in everything. Oh boy. Rear. Oh, what do you want to call this now? Bush. I mean, I can get the old one out. That's not going to be a problem. Probably squeeze the new one in with a nut and bolt. What the hell do you call this? Hub assembly? Oh fuck. Sorry Ken, it's got to be done. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna push this video out now. I wasn't going to, but I'm gonna push it out now. I need to get these bushes. That's totally unacceptable. I don't even know what the hell you call these damn things now. Rear hub assembly, lower control arm bush. Doesn't come with the control arm. Why would it? It's not part of the control arm. It's a separate bush. Fuck-a-doodle-doo. All right, I got to get on to that.